Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to use a Vega Brush hair straightener. First, make sure your hair is completely dry and free of tangles. This prevents damage and ensures smooth gliding. Next, apply a good quality heat protectant spray throughout your hair. This crucial step shields your strands from the heat. Finally, section your hair into manageable parts, typically 1 to 2 inches wide, for easier styling. Once your hair is prepped, turn on your Vega brush and choose the ideal temperature for your hair type. For fine hair, a lower setting is best, while thicker hair may need more heat. Take a section of hair and place it deep within the bristles, starting close to the roots. Then, slowly and steadily glide the brush down to the ends. Repeat this process for all sections. Continue to work through all your hair sections, repeating the straightening motion until each part is as smooth as you desire. Remember, patience is key for the best results. After straightening, let your hair cool down completely before applying any finishing products. This helps to set the style. Finally, a small amount of light serum or hairspray can add shine and keep your hair looking fabulous all day. To keep your Vega brush in top condition, remember to clean it regularly. Simply remove any hair or product buildup from the bristles after each use. Store your brush in a cool, dry place to protect it from damage and extend its lifespan. And speaking of staying fresh, don't forget to check the description below for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals. Staying hydrated is always important for healthy hair and a healthy you.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.